Hi, I'm Bob Newton and we're at Hendra Lake, and today we're not fishing, we're looking for birds. What's so funny? You gotta look for birds. What birds are we looking for?
Swans just over there.
Swans over there. Oh, little. It is a nice lake, this, I gotta be honest. It's a bird, it's a bird!
It's a swan, it's a swan.
Looking for bread in here. We never brought any, so we
could have brought bread.
yeah, we could have brought bacon and beans and toast if we wanted.
Tea! It's tea! It's only have a race on it, don't forget I'm mistaken tea! Who's ready to be good?
No.
Very good at
Make it like
fishing.
this.
Yeah.
Nobody likes them if you're a
Go watch in
fisher.
the back garden when we have the pond.
Yeah. They'll sit in that tree and wait for the right minute. Want to see them over Better's ponds. They're clever. I dare you.
I thought it'd be a duck going down and up, down and up.
No, ducks don't do it. Ducks eat fish, do it. What ducks eat? Bugs.
But
Oh. You haven't? Had something.
You swallowed something, yeah.
actually people down there.
This is the island there, that's an island.
I'm sure it's A anyway.
Is there any?
I should messing up.
No, there's no fishing at Tredegar House.
There might have to see as well.
They're all coming up.
Nice view.
From a distance and I like it close.
That was the Hendra Lake. We walked all the way around it, as you just see, with these pair on some trail thing. I don't know what it's called. What's it called?
It's called Newport Junior Explorer.
Newport Junior Explorer. I suggest you all go out and get one.
You have to do the library. You have to do the library when to get it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Say ta-ra, over and out.
Bye bye.